Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown, Focus Your Weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards the middle of March and heading on towards spring. Now, as we start out our period on Friday, we should be seeing pretty seasonable conditions out there, temperatures in the mid-40s with some fair weather clouds out there. And as we get towards the end of the period, getting in towards the next Thursday, we should see average highs at this time of the year close to 50, and that's probably we're going to be maybe a few degrees warmer than that. But of course, what you really notice is how long the days are getting. It's nice and bright when you're going out to work in the morning, and it's nice and bright still when you're coming home at night. So our length of days keep getting longer, and that is going to continue as we head on towards spring. Now, as we go ahead, let's take a look at the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area over the next 7 to 10 days in terms of temperatures and precipitation. Now, looking at our temperature map, looks like we're going to be seeing about average temperatures, maybe closer to some below average temperatures. We're going to have a couple of chilly days spotted throughout next week, so we'll have to keep an eye on that, but nothing crazy out there, but unfortunately nothing really, really warm either. And as we look at our precipitation chances, we're going to be seeing about average chances of precipitation, so no real big rainstorms and certainly no real big snowstorms, so that is some great news. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up here in the Burlington area. And again, starting on Friday, seasonable day, pleasant out there, temperatures in the mid-40s with light winds and some fair weather clouds. So really nice if you have to be out and about in the Burlington area on Friday. Now, as we get into Saturday, this is when a messy storm system is going to be making its way across southern New England, bringing with it some moderate to heavy rain in the morning. And we're going to probably see our high for the day in the morning, probably around 50, 51 degrees. Now, we're going to have to keep an eye on this storm to see how strong it gets. It looks like it's really going to develop as it heads over the Gulf of Maine away from us. Now, depending on how fast the storm strengthens and how strong it does get, there is a chance that it could pull down some pretty cold air behind it and change us over to some brief snow at the end of the storm. So stay tuned to your local media outlets. We'll keep an eye on that. Doesn't look like it's going to be anything big right now, but again, just something to keep an eye on. It could get messy if you're out and about in the Burlington area on Saturday afternoon. Now, before you go to bed on Saturday evening, remember to turn your clocks ahead 1 hour as we head into daylight time now. So it is time to spring forward. So that means the morning's going to be a little bit darker out there for a little bit, but we are going to be seeing the sun going down at almost 7 o'clock at night. So a true sign of the season ahead, which is great. Now, as we get towards the rest of the week, getting in towards the work week, we're going to be seeing our temperatures again pretty chilly. We're going to be chilly on Sunday. Temperatures go way down into the 30s behind that strong storm, and then they rebound up near 50 again on Monday to start the work week. So some pretty nice conditions, and then it's going to stay like that really through the end of the period. The only caveat to this is on Wednesday, after a weak storm system passes us by, we may see some cooler weather come in with temperatures only in the low 40s, but thereafter going into Thursday, it looks like we're going to be seeing some really nice conditions with temperatures getting up into the mid to upper 50s. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.